A circular park of radius 20 meters is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distances on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hand to talk to each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Let's begin with the solution. And let this be the circle on which the three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting. Let the position of Ankur be denoted by A, Syed by S and David by D. Each boy is having a toy telephone in his hand and the telephones are attached with strings. We have to find the length of each string. That is, we have to find SD, DA or AS. So let the positions of Ankur, Syed and David be denoted by A, S and D respectively. We have to find SD or DA or AS. Since the distance between the three boys is equal, therefore we have to find any one of the three, SD, DA or AS. Let us suppose that O be the center of the circle and let us construct OP perpendicular on DA, OQ perpendicular on SA and OR perpendicular on SD. Also, join OD, OA and OS. Now, OD, OA and OS are the three radius of the circle. Therefore, OD is equal to OA is equal to OS is equal to the radius. Therefore, in triangle DOS and triangle AOD, we have side OS is equal to OA, OD is equal to OD, this is the common side, and DA is equal to SD. This is given to us since the three boys are sitting at the equal distance. Therefore, by side congruence rule, triangle DOS is congruent to triangle AOD. Similarly, we can prove that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOS. Now, this implies that all the three triangles are congruent. That is, triangle DOS is congruent to triangle AOD and AOD is congruent to triangle AOS. This implies that their areas are equal. That is, area of triangle DOS is equal to area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle AOS. Now we are given that the radius is 20, therefore OD is 20, OS is 20 and OA is also 20. And OP is perpendicular on DA, OQ is perpendicular on SA and OR is perpendicular on ST. Now, area of triangle ASD is the sum of areas of these three small triangles, that is area of triangle DOS plus area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle AOS. And this is equal to 3 times of area of triangle DOS. Now, we know that the 3 boys are sitting at the equal distance, therefore, let SD is equal to DA is equal to AS is equal to A, and since equal chords are equidistant from the center, therefore we have OR is equal to OQ is equal to OP. So let OR be denoted by X. Therefore, area of triangle ASD, which is equal to 3 times area of triangle DOS, can further be written as area of triangle ASD is root over 3 upon 4 into side is square, and side of triangle ASD is A. And here we have 3 times area of triangle DOS, and again this is given by half base into height. Now base is SD, which is A, and height is OR, which is X. This further implies that cancelling A with A, 2 2s are 4, we have A is equal to 3 upon root 3 multiplied by 2 into X, which is equal to 2 root 3 X. Now we know that perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord, therefore we have SR is equal to RD. And the reason is, since perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects it. Therefore, we have SR is equal to RD, and this is equal to half of SD, that is half of A. Now, in triangle ORD, by Pythagoras theorem we have OD square is equal to OR square plus RD square. Now OD is the radius of the circle, which is 20. OR is the perpendicular distance from the center to the chord, and this is equal to X, so X square plus RD is half of A. So, and A is 2 root over 3 X, so we have 2 root over 3x whole square. This further implies that 400 is equal to x square plus 3x square, which implies that 4x square is equal to 400, which further implies that x square is equal to 100, or x is equal to 10. Since minus 10 is not possible, since minus 10 cannot be the length of x, therefore minus 10 is rejected. Now we have got the value of x. Now let us find a. A is 2 root over 3x. Therefore, substituting the value of x, we have 2 root over 3 multiplied by 10. So this is equal to 20 root 3 meters. And hence we can say that the length of the string is 20 root over 3 meters. This completes the solution.